Hey. I know. You should have stayed there. This place is sikat because there's a lady here who was featured in Netflix. If I see, I'll show you. Masarap daw itong mga ganito ate ah. What's that?
Yung ano, yung fish.
You'll probably see an area na maraming tao nakaupo. That's the lady. Si ma'am.
Ayun.
Wala siyang wallet.
이게 뭔가 그렇게
Kung saan gusto? Yung meron tayong lahat kakainan para isang upuan na lang. Meron yatang central area na where you can eat, but I'm not sure where. Here.
来了，我喜欢看什么上面。
Dito, gusto niya? May gusto ba si Zach? Dapat yung may makakain din siya.
Ayan, ay.
Kaya ako naisip kasi yung upuan. Pero dapat, ang priority is may makakain si Zach tsaka may upuan. Ay, ah. Oo nga, no? Pasadahan natin na isa para alam mo. Sorry. This is for the food. Pero mo, sikat na sikat. The one cooking. Ito yung sikat sa lip. Na-picture siya sa street food. Noodles. Handful. The one with gray hat. Look, everybody's following him there. I think she has a sign somewhere that says nothing. There. But they say... This is soba. Yeah, pero pag sanay ka sa Asian food, wala masyadong lasa. And it's basic, it's the same. Pero dahil popular siya. Where's mommy? There. Really?